Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the right account and tools. Log into your Activision ID or console profile now, because that's where the name change sticks. Once done, open an invisible character generator or copy a non-breaking space, U+00A0 to your clipboard. Make sure you can paste it. You do not need special mods, just the right character. Next, navigate to the name change field in Call of Duty or your platform profile, and prepare to paste sequences to create space segments. Now you construct the space name. Decide whether you want equal gaps, staggered spacing, or grouped clusters of letters. This guides how many U+00A0 characters you paste between letters. You paste one or multiple non-breaking spaces between characters or groups, checking the visual effect as you go. Once a pattern looks right in the preview field, test it in a lobby or profile view because fonts and UI scale can change spacing. If spacing collapses, add another U+00A0. Finish by saving the new name and verifying it appears correctly in matches, friends lists, and across platforms. If the system rejects the name or trims spaces, try reducing the number of non-breaking spaces or swap to an alternate invisible character variant. Some platforms normalize certain Unicode. If you hit a rename limit or policy block, use a rename token or contact support. One quick troubleshooting tip: if spacing looks off, check font scale and try grouping letters with extra U+00A0 characters to force consistent gaps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.